Finally got the new TikTok mail. Easy slide out. Came just like that. Mic connection mic. I believe this little square thing right here has the chargers for the mics. Yep. Okay. I'm not sure if this is working. Is it working? Can you hear me? Hello. Am I still as clear as I would have been if I was standing right in front of the phone? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Does it sound good? If it still sounds good, then this is awesome and cheap. So far, none of the things that I have gotten from TikTok has been cheap. I mean, they've been cheap, but they haven't been cheap, if you know what I mean. But yeah, this is definitely giving me some more creative ideas as far as what I could do for a business, for my business, or for my quality of videos, quality of content, team events. Just the possibilities are endless if you're trying to create content or, you know, get better recording equipment as far as like whatever it is project you're trying to work on. This is, god darn it, this is definitely I would recommend this, definitely.